In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language setting in Domo AI. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can easily switch from one language to another within the platform. Let's get started. First, navigate to Domo AI's Video to Video, Style Transfer, AI Video tool by opening your web browser and heading to the Domo AI website. It's important to ensure you're on the right page, so look for that specific section at the top of the homepage. This is where we'll be beginning our language switch journey. Once you're on the Domo AI homepage, locate and click on the highlighted section. This action is your entry point into making any personal adjustments or settings. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the option to log in with Google. This will take you through the usual Google authentication steps, so just select your account and follow any prompts to get signed in. Now that you're authenticated and inside Domo AI, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile picture or icon. Click on this profile section to open up a drop-down menu. This is where you can access personal settings. From the drop-down menu, look for another highlighted section and click on it. This is usually straightforward to find and will guide you towards the next part of changing your language setting. As you explore these options, you'll see a list of available languages with English typically listed at the top. Initially, you might see English highlighted or selected as your current language. Click on the current language, English, to open a list of alternative language options. This is where you can make your switch. Among various choices, find and click on Hangugeo, which represents the Korean language. By doing this, the interface will change to Korean. If at some point you wish to revert to English or select another language, simply follow the same steps. Navigate back to your profile, click on the language setting, and choose English or your preferred language once more. Be mindful that language settings can influence how content is displayed on your screen, so choose according to your comfort and comprehension. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Now you can effortlessly switch between languages in Domo AI with confidence. Adjusting language settings can be really handy, especially if you're working with teams from different regions or simply prefer a different language for your tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy language switching!